Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here, and I have a couple of shabby looking, these are the skins that were chits in the bowl. There's two of them, and because of all the wet weather we've had, and we've still got clouds today, I'm going to take out some pots because I can feel a bunch of potatoes here. So I'm going to pull some of these out. It's funny how these work because they're really not attached to anything. So I'm going to take off the green stuff here and let's have a look-see at what we got. Wow. Boy, you got to be really careful taking these out because when I pulled it out, the skin just popped right off, so I'm going to be really careful here. I can't believe this. This is just skin. Again, I get the best potatoes. This container is full of them. They're wet, very wet. As you can see, my hands are all muddy. But there are so many potatoes in here. Oh my goodness. I don't know how much this will come out to, but I don't think in such a small pot. Now this is probably a 12 by 12 inches. It's a number 11, whatever that means. It's a nursery pot actually. And I always try to take a look to see if I can find the skin or wherever it's at, if there is any left. And yeah, this is where it started from, right there. I hope you can see that. So let's just continue on. Wow, even down under here. Heat banging on them. I really don't. I'm going to put this soil back into this pot so that I can make sure I get all of them. And I'll just pile this right here so that you can see how much I got out of that little pot. Now some of them are very small, but that's good too. Small's good. You can boil those little babies up, butter them up with some parsley. I can't even pile them all up. Anyway, I think you've kind of got the idea there. So I'm gonna shut you off and we'll weigh them up. Okay guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is turn this little puppy on. And it's on pounds. I'm sure it's tared out, but I'm gonna tear it with this on top. Okay, it's been tared out. So now I'm going to put the potatoes, and I did rinse them off because they were filled with very, very wet soil. And I'm going to keep the little ones because, like I said, we eat the little ones. And they won't last any time, so they have to be eaten pretty fast. Basically, by the time you get them dried out, you want to use them up. But considering this was just a chit, like the ones I used to grow in my little houses there, I got over 2.5 pounds. 2.69 pounds. So almost 2.5 pounds from a piece of skin. Can't beat it, guys. I'm going to go back and we're going to do the next one. Okay, guys, this is the second bucket. And as you can see, they're starting to die off. These smaller pots seem to be dying off faster than the larger pots are. Except we're having problems with the larger ones because the rain is just destroying them. Well, we certainly got potatoes again. I am just amazed by just using a chit like we did for the London experiment, or just using a piece of skin with a chit on it. It's just amazing how much potato you get. Trying to be careful here. I could feel these from the outside that there were potatoes in it. A lot of them, because of where you plant this, if you plant it like way low on the bottom, you'll get them right in the middle. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them in here, because this is what I'm going to weigh them in, and I'll wash them off first. But since the scale is already set for the tare, it's already been tared out for this container. I'm not going to put these little teeny ones in there. And once again, this is just a piece of skin. I'll show you. Just that tiny little piece of skin that was right there. That was it. Alrighty. Now, we'll shut this off and take it in the house. Okay, guys, so this has been tared out. And we have 2.32 pounds. So together with the other one, we have 4.5 pounds, because just a little over 4.5 pounds from 2 pieces of skin. Can't beat that. I have one more bucket, but it's from a piece of a potato, probably like a quarter or a third of a potato. So we're going to check that one out, because that one is starting to go bad at the dirt level. It's turning black. Be back. Okay, guys, this is kind of a mystery bucket. I don't know what's in here. I don't know if it's a red potato, a yellow potato, or what, but you can see where it was starting to go bad right in here, all wet and mushy. So I will use my scissors on this one. And let's see if we got anything in here. You can't feel on these buckets because they're so thick. I don't see anything. But I feel a big one. Wow, that's a nice potato right there. Another one almost the size of my hand. We got one that fell out. Here's another one. Some more nice ones. Whoa! Oh, the bottom of it. I planted this low, obviously, so they're all on the bottom. Look at those potatoes. Trying to find the end of it. And as you can see, take off this little guy here. This is one that had a piece, it was a bigger piece. This is the skin that goes to it. Hopefully you can see that, because I'm not behind the screen to be able to tell you. Alright, now you saw how much I got from just chits. Let's see how much we get from a piece. Just stick them in this container over here and go clean off all this mud first. I know you're not supposed to do that, but we kind of have to. And we'll be back in just a second with... Okay guys, this is the rest of the story. So here we are. We've got 2.43 ounces. So we have 2 pounds and 4 ounces. So if you take all three together, we had approximately 7 pounds of potatoes out of 2 small buckets and 1 a little bit larger, 2 from just chitted skin, 1 from a piece of potato. And these are great potatoes because they have no scab on them. There is just no scab on these potatoes at all. These are actually very pretty potatoes that I've seen over the last few years. So I thank you for watching. I hope you'll give me a share, a like, a comment, a subscribe, and all that good stuff. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.